So try with the backing track in the previous exercise, but this time try playing 2 tendency notes in succession and then resolving. If you really want to come to grips with this idea, it's a good idea to try it out in all of the keys. Hi, it's Ruth here, and I'm back with the next resource pack for you pianists. Use within your improvisation to create this tension and release on the fly. You can use these techniques to create something that's intentional, that pushes all the right buttons for you and your listeners, and gives meaning to the music. Chord tones are basically our safe space. This is essentially because they're harmonious, they fit with the chord that's being played within the progression, so it's all just sort of nice. But if we only improvised with chord tones, it would sound pretty basic, pretty vanilla, and a bit boring. So that was nice enough, but not really much interesting happening there. Okay, so let's have another go, but with some non-chord tones. So which one do you think sounded better? If you ask me, I think the second one sounded a bit better because there's a little bit of clashy notes and a little bit of nice chord tones.